Depression is the biggest killer in this world. More than cancer, heart disease, heart attacks, Ebola, or any of the plagues. Depression strikes all over the world, and many lives are lost as a result of it. Allah says, إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا. Indeed, the secret meetings and conspirations are from Satan in order to make the believers depressed. It's from Shaitan. That state of depression where one cannot see any good. We have been blinded by Shaitan. And then that takes us to a point where so many people kill themselves, kill others around them, etc. That is an evil state. And that because of that, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ used to make the dua, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hammi wal-hazn. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from worry and depression. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ used to frequently make this dua. And we should do the same. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us back to Him and to spare us the pain and the suffering of depression. Depression from Shaitan. To protect our children, our family members, those we love from this terrible state. I ask Allah to protect all of us from depression, distress, worry, and extreme sadness.